Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now open the case and it should enter to a pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, press and hold on connectional button at the charging case. Yeah, and we can see a LED light. That LED light is flashing white, so it means that it's entered to pairing mode. Click on it. Now hide the Bluetooth and click on the application. And it automatically adds to the application. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.